The Tiki brand Smokeless Patio fire pit is a high-quality outdoor fire pit that creates a warm, cozy and inviting atmosphere in your backyard. It uses a patented airflow technology that produces a smokeless flame, making it perfect for outdoor gatherings, roasting marshmallows, or just relaxing with family and friends. The fire pit is made from durable materials and comes with a weather-resistant cover for added protection from the elements. It also features an easy-to-use fire starting system and a built-in ash pan for easy cleanup. Overall, the Tiki brand Smokeless Patio fire pit is an excellent addition to any outdoor space. Behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.